Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
It has been a very long time since we've been here.
Yes, but my good news is my hip isn't broken, thank you Lord, and I am back and better as ever.
Me, on the other hand, is a little different story. Unexpectedly had some medical issues myself, and so I've had some procedures and surgery and just recently recovered. I am doing much better. I feel the best I've had in many months. We've been taking care of some family issues as well, and I think we're finally back on track. So we have this week's video that we promised was going to be a 2-3 weeks ago, and I'm sorry. But we have several others lined up during my time that we haven't been able to make any videos. I've had several companies reach out to us and they want us to do some other reviews. So after this week, we want to do a part 2 on this one here. I'm not sure if we'll get to it right away because we've made some commitments with some companies, as I mentioned. So we'll be doing some reviews. We might have a few of those for a few weeks, and then we'll get back to more things in the house during this time. One thing after another in the house, fried out. I got to replace some lights, some power, some switches, and so forth. And that gives me an excuse to make some more videos. So we have some content that we're going to be working on, getting back to the DIY stuff, doing project reviews, and some more laser work. Our business has, even though I've been ill, I'm still kind of muddling through and making sure I make the products for our customers that they've ordered, and managed to get that done, and our business is still growing. So anyhow, this week we're going to be showing you this wonderful slat wall that we told you about in previous weeks, and we're going to just show you how we did it. It's not going to be a detailed step-by-step instructions, just as something to inspire you that, hey, maybe you can do something like this as well. So let's get right into the video.
So as you can see, we finished the wall. It was very easy to put up, and it turned out beautifully. We just love it.
And so much so that we like this so much that we're considering doing this in the other rooms, maybe mixing it up a little bit with a different color wood so that it's slightly different and all the rooms don't look exactly the same. But we've got several other projects that we're working on right now, so that might be something for the future. Next week, we are looking at doing a product review. It's going to be another laser. A company has sent me something that I've never reviewed before. This particular laser is going to be a 20-watt laser, but it also has an infrared laser. And with that, I believe I can actually do some engraving on metal, which I've never been able to do thus far. So I'm looking forward to that. So anyhow, until we meet again, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.